Hey guys, what's up? This is Mavi na yung back. So today is June 28, 2024. And yun guys, nandito kami sa may Naiya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Kasi pupunta kami sa Thailand. So kung napanood nyo guys, yung recent vlog ko. So kakagraduate ko lang last May 31. And syempre guys, kapag may graduation, dapat may vacation. Kaya ayan, pupunta kami guys sa Thailand. And doon na rin namin isa-celebrate yung birthday ng kapatid ko. So parang double celebration. And super na-excite ako guys kasi first time ko lang din makakapunta ng Thailand kasama yung family ko. So kasama ko lang yung parents ko, yung sister ko, yung pinsan ko at saka yung tita ko. Meron pa kaming 1 hour bago sumakay ng airplane and nandito lang kami, ayan, kakain kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast guys kasi it's ano pa lang 5:35 AM, so super aga pa. So ayan, puntahan na natin sila. So update guys, we're currently boarding. So na-delay yung flight namin for almost, hindi pala almost, an hour na siya. So ayan, sobrang inaantok na ako. Pero ayan na. Ito muna. So currently, nandito na kami sa loob ng plane. Window seat. Guys, we're now here at Thailand. So excited. Sawadee Cup. So, kakatapos lang namin kumuha ng SIM card and imimit na namin yung service namin papunta dun sa place na tutuluyan. So dito kami guys magstay, para lang siyang maliit na Airbnb. Ayan. Cute.
Giving gutom na gutom. Sobrang heaven. Excited. First meal of.
Try namin guys yung kalapit na parang karinderya dito. So try natin lahat guys, di ba? Para sulit na sulit.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time?
So we're going to Icon Siam. Hey guys, so today is our day 2. So nag-phone na lang ako guys kasi nagkaroon ng problem dun sa memory card ko. Pero nandito kami ngayon guys sa may Fosho Bro Cafe. So guys, parang ito ata yung Green Hills ng Thailand. Pero I think mas maganda to. So, currently guys, nandito kami sa may Manahakon. Ayan. And pupunta kami sa may Skywalk.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold.
Hey guys, so today is our day 3 and it's Safari Day. So nandito kami guys sa may Safari World. Ayan, so excited na ako guys makita yung mga animals na makikita namin. And I think isa to guys sa mga tourist spots dito sa Thailand. birthday! Dami, ayun yung Black Panther. Yung Black Panther, te. Ayan yung... Guys, the Black Panther.
Whatever you did, can you do it some more now? Swear you got me falling for your ass and
Hey guys, so currently nandito kami sa may Chinatown and ito-try namin yung mga ayan, street foods dito. Up. Grab roll, guys. Yan. Guys, nag-visit daw si Lisa dito.
Uy, picture natin. Okay na. Hawakan niyo dalawa. Tito Pera. Ano ito na? Tito Mai.
Pwede na.
Dapat na.
Hey guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa may Erawan Museum. Ayan, meron tayong nakikitang malaking elephant dito. So dito pala guys, meron silang Thai dress and accessories for rent. And I think later magaganito kami. Ayan, so excited na ako na makasuot ng kanilang traditional clothing. Guys, tignan nyo naman yung shoes ko. Hindi naman kasi ako aware. Ayan o. Naka-Converse pa.
So really, you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like
Ito naman kami sa may Asian City. Ayan, medyo maulan lang guys.
hell no, I won't play the monster no matter what you tell yourself.
Kakain muna kami guys dito sa may restaurant. And I think buffet ito. So dito din guys, merong mga set of foods. So malawak pala siya guys. Ayan. Hey guys, so ngayon papunta naman kami sa may Bubble in the Forest. Ayan, dito yung pasukan. So dito namin guys isi-celebrate yung birthday ng kapatid ko kasi today is July 31 and it's actually her birthday today, kaya ayan, dito namin naisipan na i-celebrate. So as usual, excited na naman ako makita.
These unrealistic expectations, calm down. All of myself when I'm impatient and I don't feel good enough. Next time I have these thoughts, I'll take my time. I love myself when I don't love myself. I can't even post a picture. I think I've been in a loop for days. I hate every angle.
So ganito siya guys pagpasok. Ayan, super minimalist. Ayan guys, yung interior nila. Ganda. So try natin guys, tignan yung taas. So meron din pala siyang outside. Ayan, akyat tayo guys. So super laki guys ng place. Ayan, ang ganda. So quick tour lang tayo guys. Ayan siya guys. Hey guys, so currently nandito naman kami ngayon sa may Grand Palace. So isa rin to guys sa mga tourist spots dito sa Thailand. So, super ganda guys ng mga structures dito. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung details ng malapitan. Ayan o, ganyan siya guys. Grabe, ang ganda. So currently guys, naghahanap lang kami ng pwedeng makainan kasi it's already 1:25 PM na. Ayan, may Starbucks dito. Ayan, may Taco Bell. May McDo. So yan guys, itatry natin yung original Thai tea. Hey guys, so nandito ulit kami sa Mahanakon Skywalk. Kasi nung last na pumunta kami, hindi kami nakakakit sa pinakatuktok kasi may thunderstorm. Pero right now kasi, itatry uli namin.
There's a motel a mile down. Finally can stand. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign on it. I know what you're thinking, and I'm thinking it too. Maybe we should both just let it go. You know my anxiety, I'm trying to be what you want, and I get so overwhelmed. Every time I climb up your walls, grab my hand and you let me fall. I'm still standing here through it all. You know.
So guys, quick tour lang. Puro luxury brands agad yung nakikita nyo. Grabe dito guys. Parang kailangan mo ng madaming kayamanan. So dito may mga perfumes and cosmetics. Ayan, paglabas ng immigration. So ang boarding time pala namin guys is 3:15 AM. So yan, super nakakaantok. Pero mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito. Guys, meron dito ang Bonchon, may McDo,